Hey friends, just got a iPhone 17. This is the standard version and I'm unboxing it for the first time. I put a piece of tape here because there's some serial numbers and stuff under here that I don't think you need to see, right? I'm not a iPhone lover. Just taking the opportunity to show you what it's like if you get one for the first time. I prefer Android really and still use Android. I'm actually a old phone, which I'm quite happy with. Not really big into phones like most people. Alright, so after you pull off that tape, this should come out. The iPhone 17 comes in different colors. I think white is the most neutral. It's a nice, like, I guess aluminum part there, and then this beautiful screen. Take that off. And to show you how ignorant I am about iPhones, I don't know what all these buttons do. Just try pressing this one, and that looks like it powers it up. It also comes with a Type-C, looks like Type-C to Type-C cord. Now, by default, when you buy this, you don't actually get a charger adapter. So I had to actually buy this separately, which is kind of silly to me. You're spending all that money and yet still they don't even give you the charging cube. Now there are offers for generic ones, but I wanted to make sure to get the one actually from Apple. But I will also get an additional generic one as a backup. That could be another topic. So this is how the adapter comes. Simple, straightforward. Put in your Type-C there, and I guess this goes under the phone there and charges. So that looks like it. So that's what the unboxing is like. The rest, I guess, would be just to set up the phone and whatnot, which I will not bore you with. It's pretty light actually.